Vishal Singh, who is popularly known for his role as Jigar from Star Plus show Saath Nibhana Satya, recently got back from his trip to Indonesia. And so we caught him for a candid chat session with us. So without further ado, let's begin. So finally back to India. How does it feel? Share your experience with us and our viewers.
See, actually, the only thing is that this is what I always wanted to do. I wanted to live in other countries and see how it feels and how it works. So it was definitely not an easy decision. But वहाँ रहकर, वहाँ जी के, the life I've lived there has taught me so much that it made me a different person altogether. So of course, and the other thing is that I got to work in 2 different countries, and which was amazing because everyone's working style was different. The people were different, languages were different. So of course it has been a lifetime experience, and I'm really looking forward to do some great work in both the countries, and people are amazing. But there's nothing like India. I miss India all the time, and I miss the people who has already given us so much love. And I really want to do something for Indian audience also. So yes, East or West, India is the best, always. My parents, of course, my family. That's the only thing I missed the most. Like every moment, I think we used to FaceTime twice a day, morning and evening, so that I can feel that I'm there with them all the time. And thank you so much, technology, for giving us this opportunity that we could just sit like right across our phones and feel like that we were there for each other. And that's how I think I could survive for the longest time. So yes, I was missing my family so much, yes.
You had become a household name in India. How different is the love that you receive here and in Indonesia?
See, actually, I would not say there's any difference between the love, but since these are 2 different countries, so for us, like obviously Indian cinema, Indian television has been there for the longest time, and for them it's like a new thing. So obviously the craze and the love is way bigger than what you actually get to see here, because हम लोग यहीं रहते हैं और हमेशा से लोग इंडियन शोज देखते ही रहते हैं और एक खत्म होता है दूसरा शुरू हो जाता है. So that's there, but yeah, people are really they are really nice, I think, and they love you like no one else. They really love you. It's amazing. But again, as I said, there's nothing like India.
When can we see you making a comeback?
I have no idea, but hopefully soon. Yeah, there are things, but I am actually, the only thing is that it's managing time has been the biggest task for me so far. So I really want to, as I said, that I want to do something for Indian audience, because I am what I am because of you guys and Indian audience and India and everything. So obviously I definitely don't want to leave this and go away forever, for forever, but soon, but I don't know when and what yet though.
Any specific role which will compel you to leave everything and take it up?
Yeah, I always say that there's one film I have seen, and since then I've been wanting to do something like that, and I can really leave everything for something like that. So I love Rang De Basanti, and I would love to do something like that. If I get something like that, I can definitely leave like any work in any part of the country or world. I would definitely happily leave it and be here, like, for sure.
Would you like to take up a reality show?
Again, I love dancing, so if there is something related to dance, I would definitely love to do.
There are a lot of your co-actors and friends from the industry who post missing posts for you. So how much do you miss them?
When I left the country, and that's when I realized that कि हमने कितने दोस्त बनाए हैं, and this is what matters, because काम definitely आप अच्छा करें, जैसा भी करें, वो एक चीज़ है, but if you're not a good human being, तो कुछ भी मैटर नहीं करता. And उसके बाद जब मैंने देखा that literally, I think so many friends, they used to message me, text me, because we used to go for Diwali parties and all that, and everyone has texted and called and everything and told me that they're missing and all that. So मुझे लगा कि I think ज़िंदगी में मैंने, money is one thing, but when you actually get to win people's heart, that's your actually achievement, and I think I've done it quite well. So I'm really thankful to all my friends and everyone to be there and to miss me and to always remember me and make sure that I'm there even if I'm not there. So yeah.
Also, Vishal got a special surprise from his friends. Take a look.
Hi. विशाल को लगता है कि सरप्राइज सिर्फ वो दे सकता है, but that's not true. सरप्राइज उसे हम करेंगे. चलो. Hi. Oh my God. एकदम ठीक. अंकल कैसे हो? एकदम ठीक. So ऐसे लगा था कि ये वापस आया है और हमें पता नहीं चलेगा. कैसे हो सकता है?
तुझे कैसे पता चला?
मुझे तो पता ही था. अब मैं तुमको बताऊंगी कि मुझे कैसे पता है, वो तो छोड़िए.
So जिन्हें जैसी मैडम को पता चला I'm here and ये पहली ऐसी थी because this was a big surprise to my family and to all my friends and she was the first one to guess. I don't know how. I just posted one photo at the airport and I was supposed to go somewhere else and I know she started messaging right away. Like I had not even left Jakarta.
Yeah, I know.
And she started messaging, where are you going? Where are you coming? Are you coming to India?
And I knew, I somehow had the idea that he's coming to India, and I knew that he's still not left the airport, so that's why I actually messaged him. I was waiting for his reply, but when he didn't reply, I was damn sure he's coming back to India. Because probably I was expecting that he's not told anybody, and that's why he wants to surprise. So yeah, I pretty much knew it.
So we're meeting after a year.
Yeah, it's been 1 year and it's very, very irritating to see your friend after such a long time. So I was so excited to see him because of course this was like an impromptu that he decided to come here, and it's just so special, you know, because he's lost so much weight and everything. So we've been seeing all these things over the photos and like FaceTiming and all that. But then of course it matters a lot when you're here in India, when you can meet them and you can spend some time and you can touch them. You know, it's just very special.
And as I was telling her that kuch bhi ho jaya, I think I've done Satya for the longest time, and every time I meet someone or I see someone, whether it's India, whether I meet Indians in America, they ask me, the first question is, how's Rashi?
Yeah.
So this Raji is going to be together always.
Yeah, forever. He's lost weight, which I like in photos, but not in real life. So I was just telling him, यार तू पतला लग रहा है, but then ठीक है, तो photos में तो अच्छा ही लग रहा है, so it's fine. But yeah. Nothing at all.
As mad as I was.
Completely. So I'll tell you what, one of the bestest thing about Vishal, and I think like our friendship also, is that we know for a fact that till the time I'm 80 and he is whatever 85 or whatever, till the time
again.
we die, I mean, not that it's not the real counting, but I'm just saying that till the time I die, yeah, but you're not, but he's not. So this is just like, so till the time we're old, that's easier. So till the time we're old and till the time we are going to be there, the friendship is going to be just the way it has been, you know. And I think that's the best thing about us, that things never change between us. We've been friends from the first day and the friendship is stayed.
Let me correct
Yeah,
this.
not really from the...
Initially it was like a really...
From the first year. But yeah, but till then we were not even friends. Yeah. So yeah, but then since then it's...
Yeah, but this is definitely going to stay.
Yeah, forever. It's never going to...
Somehow, I wasn't sure that if my sister's going to be here, but then it happened to be like she was here and everything worked out so well that I could see her also. So she was actually really shocked. And Priyanka, I think the only mistake I made was the same night I posted a video saying that I'm home and everyone knew that I was there because everyone saw that story. So I couldn't do that surprise thing anymore. So everyone knew by then, but yeah, I think the most important thing was I wanted to see their faces because they, like, my family was not expecting me at all, and my father actually told me that you've got like 5 days off, you should come here. And I told him, I was like, listen, 2 days I will just lose in traveling and all that. So their faces and their happiness and their eyes were priceless. So I'm happy that I did that. So I am going back on the 8th, which is like another 9 days, and then I'll be back to Indonesia. I'll be working there for another couple of months, and then I'll be back in India for a month because I have to get some work done, and then I'll be back to America. So yeah, so far this is the plan. पर हमेशा ज़िंदगी में आप जो प्लान करते हैं उससे अलग ही कुछ होता है. So I'm not even keeping anything as a strong plan. So I'm just going with the flow. God has been amazingly kind. And everything is going wonderful, and I know that you guys love me and love us so much. Still, she's left the show years ago. I have left the show, and I've not been around also, but still you guys love us so much. So thank you so much for all your love. It really means a lot.
Absolutely. Couldn't have said it better. Absolutely.
India forums, actually, minus Ranju, has been a family. Because literally the day you guys started, and I think I was also super fresh. Like I had just started and all that, and we guys have been there for each other, and you know we've grown together. So of course, India Forum's been a family for sure to me. Still minus Ranjani Nair. Yes.
Vishal and Rucha also did a cute dance move for his fans.
Hi guys, this is Vishal Singh. You're watching me on India Forums.
India Forums gives Vishal their good wishes for his future projects. Ashima Chavda, camera person Mangesh, India Forums, Mumbai.